What's your true feelings about an old foreigner with a young Filipina?
Some foreigners are, as we all know, that they have a lot of money, and some Filipinas are just using them for.
Let's say you started dating a foreigner in his 60s. How would your family react to it? What's your true feelings about an old foreigner with a young Filipina?
First, I'm shocked because the age is different. But for me, I don't have any reason to to feel that it's bad or anything. Because for me, love is it does age doesn't matter. So it comes to love, it's okay. So I respect it, and I don't see it any bad. Like some people others say like it's about money, but for me, no, it's about feelings. Or what if the person that person is in love, and they are both in love together? So what is the matter of that? As long as they are happy and they are believe in love, why not? So push it.
I love that. Okay. Mom, how old are you? Like, she's so pretty. Like, I love your face. It's beautiful. How old are you, mom?
I'm 35.
You don't look like you're 35 years old. I in person, like, I love your skin. She's just so pretty. So, are you single or like do you have a boyfriend or husband?
Single. I'm separated.
Oh,
But I
separated.
had a son. It's 6 years old.
Okay. You were married, like.
No.
Oh.
So live in that time is live in.
Okay. How long have you been single?
Mag 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
This is just an example, okay? Just an example. Um, let's say you started dating a foreigner in his 60s. It could be 61, 62, 65. Okay, how would your family react to it?
I think my papa will understand my decision. And they are not they are willing naman to understand what is my feelings. So they respect they respect what I am what I'm doing, or if I'm dating, or I had a relationship with a foreigner like 60 years old. I For me naman is siguro it doesn't matter to all of them.
Mom, what's your job?
I'm a sales lady, sales demo of SM Store Naga. So I'm 16 years of service in Jag Jeans. So that is international brand.
You know, we're so glad. Me and my husband is so happy right now because most of the time, like someone like your age, they would say no. Like they're always like in a hurry, busy. So we're so thankful. Thank you so much. We're so grateful that she accepted this interview. What is your true feelings about an old foreigner with a young Filipina?
Um, I think it's a true love.
Okay, true love. Okay, no negative comments, negative comments, no other opinion.
No.
So you believe in true love.
Yes.
So when you see someone or you see a relationship with a very big age gap, the first thing that comes in your mind is like it's true love.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Well, okay, how about this one? This is just an example, ma'am, okay? This is just an example. Okay, let's say you started dating a foreigner in his 60s. It could be 60, 65, like that. How would your family react to it?
It depends on them. Um, if your if your parents are ano,
If they're what? Hiling ka sa camera, ma'am. Hiling sa sarap ka lang, ma'am. She's very shy. Okay.
I think they respect your decision naman.
Okay. They would respect your decision. Okay, how old are you, ma'am?
27.
27 years old. And looks like you're working in a like in the Mercury drug, right?
Yes, yes.
A pharmacist. Beautiful. What is your true feelings about an old foreigner with a young Filipina?
Um, for me, it actually depends on the country and the culture. Since
as we all know that Filipinos are very traditional, and we are known for being Maria Clara. However, in other countries, it is they are actually normalizing it, and some people there are liberated, I think.
Okay, so what's your perception about that? Like, how do you feel? What's your true feelings about it?
I think it's fine since um love is not it love is can't be measured or uh through age, but it actually depends because there are um what do you call this,
Depends on.
depends on the situation, because there are some cases um that are negative and there are positive, so like
It really depends. Okay, but for you, it's fine. Let's say he is like 65 years old with a young Filipina.
To be honest with that, in that age, I have seen other videos relating to that, since some foreigners are as we all know that they have a lot of money, and some Filipinas are just using them for their own benefit.
Okay, so you really think that foreigners, they really like, they're rich, like they have a lot of money.
Yeah. Yes. And I believe that foreigners love Filipinos because we are known for being hospitable, and what do you call it? In Tagalog, maasikaso yung.
Okay, like we take good care of them.
Yes.
Okay, like a housewife. Like we really how do you say that? Like we really take it like seriously, like that. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, how old are you before I ask this?
22 years old.
22 years old. Okay, this is just an example. Let's say you started dating someone in their 60s. How would your family react to it?
I think my mom will will get angry.
Okay, what do you mean like angry, like mad? Like,
um because I mean, she will ask me why would I date a 65 years old in my age, and it's really complicated for.
thank you so much, Bay. Really appreciate your time. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye. Thank you, Bay. Thank you so much.
Beautiful reflections are all I can see as I live from